are required to by law. Do you understand that?
I do understand what you're saying.
Perfect.
I don't agree with it, but I understand because I'm not bowing down to your attitude and your power trip.
It's not a power trip, sir.
And it's exactly what it is.
No, sir.
No, yeah, you don't have the right mentality for this job.
Oh, I don't.
No, everything. I'm going to request your dash cam, your body cams, all of it. So it's fine.
You don't have the right mentality for this job. That's what the driver told an officer during a heated traffic stop in Michigan, a moment where calm broke down into accusation, defiance, and a challenge to authority. The officer, who claims 31 years of experience, finds himself questioned, not by a lawyer, but by a citizen asserting his rights, refusing to answer questions, and standing firm. Was this officer abusing power, or was the driver escalating unnecessarily? This breakdown began over a simple ID refusal, but quickly spiraled into a confrontation about law, ego, and accountability. Welcome back to ID Refusal Rights, where we analyze real-world interactions between citizens and law enforcement. Thanks to the original video from the channel Code Blue Cam, and we invite you to follow them for full transparency.
I was in a police car. When you tell me to get out of... Sir, can you please help me out here?
No, nobody's going to help you out.
You said that when I'm asked...
talk. Go ahead.
If you would stop, I would explain.
Oh, okay, I'm going to explain. You explain to me what the law is.
You just told me when I'm asked to get out of a police car that I'm to get out.
When you're asked to get out...
That's not what you said.
When you are asked to get out of your car by a police officer...
Is your body cam rolling?
You are required to by law. Do you understand that?
I do understand what you're saying.
Perfect.
I don't agree with it, but I understand what you're saying.
It doesn't matter if you agree with it or not, sir. It has no effect on it.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm glad you understand Michigan law. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
None, sir.
I don't drink at all.
You don't? Okay.
Nope.
So you're displaying behavior like you have been.
No, I'm not. I'm on my way to work.
Where do you work at?
It's none of your business.
Where are you coming from?
It's none of your business
so
either.
You're displaying behavior.
No, it's not. Why? Because I'm not bowing down to your attitude and your power trip.
It's not a power trip, sir.
And it's exactly what it is.
No, sir.
No, yeah, you don't have the right mentality for this job.
Oh, I don't.
No, I don't. I know a lot of cops.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, and none of them act like you.
31 years and I don't have the right mentality.
Oh,
you know more than I do.
No, that's not what I'm claiming. I'm not claiming that I know anything more than you. All I'm saying is you're being aggressive. It started off
being aggressive.
As soon as you started,
aggressive to you?
You start running your siren,
aggressive to you?
and then you tell me to turn my car. You didn't have your lights on. All you had on were white lights.
Oh, we had our lights on.
You had white lights on.
We had lights on.
Okay. They were just white. There was no red, no blue. I'm going to request your dash cam, your body cams, all of it. So it's fine. I'm going to go right to Sierra. No, I'm not threatening.
Clear, we'll be here for a minute.
Nope. I'm just saying that none of them act like you. I've never had this experience with a cop ever. Never.
Wow.
It's fine, sir. If you'd like to give me a ticket, I'll accept the ticket. I'll take it to court.
Of course.
It's fine.
Yeah, of course.
It's fine.
Of course you will.
We got about another freaking 11 minutes, though, and this is unlawful. I mean...
Oh, now we're unlawful?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a reasonable expectation for a speeding ticket, time frame, and all that stuff. Just sitting here for no reason. If you want to write me a ticket, sir, that's fine.
I'm letting you talk, sir.
I'm done talking. I just want to be on my way,
You say that several
please.
times, and you just keep talking.
Okay.
During this traffic stop in Michigan, the interaction quickly devolves into confrontation as the driver challenges the authority and behavior of the police officer who claims 31 years of service. The officer asserts the driver must exit the vehicle under lawful order, yet fails to articulate reasonable suspicion as required under the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unlawful searches and seizures. When the driver refuses to answer personal questions or disclose his destination, he exercises his constitutional right to remain silent, a principle affirmed in Miranda versus Arizona. Rather than de-escalating, the officer displays escalating aggression, blurring the line between police authority and misconduct.
You under any narcotics right now?
Nope.
Nothing at all?
No, I don't answer questions. I'm done answering questions.
You ever been arrested before?
Like I said, sir, I'm done answering questions.
Stand right there.
Yep, absolutely.
After repeated aggressive questioning, the driver asserts a clear constitutional boundary by stating, "I don't answer questions," a lawful invocation of the Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Despite this, the officer continues probing into arrest history and drug use, skirting dangerously close to police misconduct by ignoring the citizen's refusal to engage. This form of silent resistance is protected under both the Fifth and Fourth Amendments, especially when no criminal activity is evident. There is no legal obligation to answer investigatory questions during a traffic stop, unless reasonable suspicion of a crime exists. The officer's persistence places him in conflict with established Supreme Court rulings like Hybel v. 6th Judicial District Court.
Did you get a license or anything?
Yeah. Just the outside the car.
Yep. Nope. I feel like his pupils were pretty dilated.
1634. Can you see if you can get updated insurance? It's 11/16/24. See if he has an updated one.
Yep. Do you have a updated insurance card on you in your vehicle? This one's expired, sir.
I got it on my phone if that's okay.
Yeah, that's great.
I apologize. I did not want this to go this way at all. That guy, he's got an attitude problem. I don't know what the problem is. That's the Jeep. That's the other Charger. This one here.
Try running that plate. I did not come up with a return on it. 4 Paul Nora 089.
5/16/25 expiration. 2006 Dodge Charger. Can I go check the VIN real quick?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you for being professional, sir.
That's a 2006 Dodge Charger, registered to Yvonne Michelle Kowalski out of Roscommon. You have yes on that. Plates are good through November of 2025. Stand by for the name. $555 for the return.
Here's that. I'll be just a second.
Is it okay? Can I just turn off my headlights so my battery doesn't die? It's not running anymore, and it's only 28 degrees.
Let me do that for you.
All right, it's the toggle on the left. Thank you.
Yep.
You got a ticket up here?
Huh?
Here's your ticket book.
It's right here, sir. The insurance. Yes, sir.
It says 2025 on it.
Oh, I thought.
5/16/25.
Oh, yep. Thank you, sir. It was current. The only thing that I thought was weird is that I checked the VIN because he showed me his insurance on his phone, and there's like a pink pouch that's jammed up in the dash right where the VIN number is.
Plate from the back valid. You can tell me. You can never see what's going on. We'll be right back.
As a second officer engages more professionally, the tone of the traffic stop shifts from confrontation to cooperation. The driver presents digital proof of insurance, which is valid under Michigan law, MCL 257.328. Despite this, officers still express suspicion, pointing to a pink pouch obstructing the VIN. a detail that does not establish probable cause for further search unless linked to criminal evidence. The request to dim headlights is reasonable, and the driver complies without resistance. This part highlights the importance of professional conduct, especially when initial Fourth Amendment boundaries have already been tested. No consent to search was given, and no search occurred, keeping the stop within constitutional limits.
Like I said, it was weird that there's that pink pouch jammed up in his dash.
Yeah.
And it's small. Like, it's real small.
Some issues this morning.
Yep.
Mr. Kowalski, you're getting issued a violation this morning for violation of basic speed law. 7 days with the county court of Crawford. All the directions on the back, the court address and phone number on the front. Do you have any questions? Make sure you have your seatbelt on, okay, sir? I'm sorry. Okay. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Officer Unnamed receives a C+ for failing to de-escalate, showing signs of ego-driven behavior, and ignoring the driver's invitation of rights. The driver, Mr. Kowalski, earns a B+ for maintaining calm, using ID refusal principles, and standing firm legally, though initial tone could be improved. This ID refusal traffic stop highlights key protections and boundaries citizens must know. Legal takeaway: know your rights, assert them respectfully, and always record. Keep learning with us here at ID Refusal Rights, and support original footage from Code Blue Cam for full transparency and accountability.